Hey, my friend Daniel here. Welcome to the channel. In this video, we're diving into the myEcon Cash Flow Manager. Now, this subject has a very deep meaning for me. I love teaching and training and educating on how you can be a home-based business owner. And most people don't realize that once you sign up with myEcon, yes, my friend, you are now an official home-based business owner, and you can qualify for up to over 200 different tax deductions, meaning you can save and put more money back in your pocket. That's why this topic is so important. And most people do not take advantage of this with their home-based business. And this is some of the things that myEcon will teach you and help you learn and understand. So even if you are not making any money or even a lot of money or whatever the money is that you're making or not making with myEcon, the point is you now have a home-based business and you can get those tax deductions. So just by becoming a member with myEcon, and as long as you are showing an attempt to run a profitable business, you, my friend, can qualify for amazing tax deduction. So what this video is going to show you is something called the Cashflow Manager. And this is where you start keeping track of all your expenses. So myEcon makes it really easy for you because with the Cashflow Manager, this is where you can now keep track of all of your business expenses. So your myEcon membership is a business expense. And then almost everything that you could do in and around your business. So the cost of things in your home, like paying for Wi-Fi, utility bills, sort of things that you can use and you can claim as tax deductions because you're now running a business out of your home. So a portion of your home expenses is also now going to be business tax deductible expenses. Okay, so hope you're starting to pick up what I'm putting down here because this is very, very important to help you save and put more money back in your pocket. Now, what's really great about the Cashflow Manager, at the end of the year, when it's time for you to do your taxes, you can simply go into the Cashflow Manager, print out all of your expenses, and simply hand that to your tax professional, and they can take that and they can apply those towards your taxes as tax deductible expenses. It's really simple, really easy to do. You just need to get in the habit of using this software every single day. So let me give you an example of how some of this could work. If you and say some of your friends or your family members, you guys go out to a restaurant and you go out to eat. And then while you're at that meal, you are talking about your business. That meal then becomes a tax deductible expense. At the end of the meal, you're given your receipt. You take your receipt, you take a picture of it, and you upload that receipt and information into the Cashflow Manager, and it keeps track of all of your expenses. So let me show you how this will work. Okay, simply right here from your BMC home inside of your myEcon members area, you're simply going to scroll through the carousel here and you're going to select Cashflow Manager. You simply click into that. You're going to watch the overview video that explains how the Cashflow Manager works, how you get it, how you can get the app, how you can start utilizing it, all of those simple and basic things so you can have an understanding of how it works. Once you get in there and you start playing around with it, it's really very simple. So once you go through that, you're going to see the two different types. There's the mobile training and the PC training. Okay, the video is going to explain both of those. And then this is where you would actually get into the Cashflow Manager itself. And I'll open this up for you here so you can see it. And I'll try to blow this up a little bit bigger. And this is where you start managing all of your expenses. Okay, so you can enter new income, new expenses. You can create budgets. You can create, whether it be one-time expenses, recurring expenses. So as an example, your monthly myEcon membership would be a recurring expense. Your Wi-Fi, something that you're paying for on a monthly basis, would be a monthly expense. How about your cell phone bill? Because guess what? You're now probably using your cell phone for business. So your monthly cell phone bill would now be a recurring business expense. These are the things that you want to start plugging into the Cashflow Manager. So only you will be able to figure out everything that you have for business expenses and figure all those things out. But this is where you can really learn and understand and get some real education about being a home-based business owner. And I can tell you from experience, my friend, this is where you can save a lot of money, and you can really take advantage of being a home-based business owner, and myEcon will give you the strategies and the understanding of how all of this works. So please don't underestimate the power of the Cashflow Manager, and don't underestimate the power of myEcon and being able to teach you these strategies, because the entire, call it a mantra, if you will, behind myEcon is helping you increase your cash flow and make and save more money. So hope you have a little bit more of an understanding of the cash flow manager and why this is important inside of myEcon. So make sure that if you are already inside of myEcon, you are taking advantage of this product here. Okay. If you're not in myEcon, you may want to get inside, because we can help you make and save more money. So if that's the case and you want to get started, link in the description down below. If you have any questions for me, my phone number is down below. You can send me a text message. I also left it right here at the top of this video. And of course, if you're ready to get started, link in the description down below. Don't hesitate to drop a comment on this video if you have any questions for me or about myEcon. So hope you got value from this video. If you did, be sure to like this video and also drop a comment down below. If you made it to this point in the video and you haven't already, please smash that subscribe button. It really does help out the channel. Trust me, my friend, it is much, much better to be on the inside and be part of this team versus standing there on the outside looking in. If you need more information about myself or our team and how we offer over $10,000 in free value, we give you an entire system, an app, sales funnels, email marketing, viral content to help you share your myEcon business. We make it really simple and easy for you. If you need more information on that, link in the description down below. Thank you for watching, my friend. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.